What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to be checking out AM iron. So AM iron is an iron particle remover. This can be used on your wheels, your paint, plastics, glass, anything on the vehicle. It is paint safe and it's designed to dissolve and remove iron particles. Now, what do we mean by iron particles? Now, when you're driving down the road and you press on your brakes, what happens to your wheels after a few weeks? You'll see a nice fine layer of orangey brake dust. Those are tiny, tiny particles of metal. Now, on your wheels, you can use dedicated wheel cleaners to clean that off on a regular basis and you won't have a problem. But that brake dust will not only be on your wheels because that's the concentration point, but it will also be on your entire vehicle. Now, if you're washing your vehicle on a regular basis, you may not have that much of a problem. But if you let it go for a few months, those iron particles will really embed into the paint and will even start to rust a little bit. You don't want that. You want to make sure that your vehicle's paint is clear of any iron particles. If you want to pick up some AM iron, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20. You'll get 20% off of this product and tons of other products on their website. I have links down below. So let's see this product in action. So start by washing your vehicle correctly. Do a pre-rinse, use an APC rinse, and then make sure to wash the vehicle. If you want to see some videos on how to wash your vehicle properly, then click on the card above. So after the vehicle is cleaned and rinsed, apply the AM iron to all of the panels that you may think iron particles may be on. Generally, the lower portions in the back hatch and trunk area will be the worst. This product is great because it clings to the paint. You can see here that it's already starting to dissolve those tiny iron particles. So let it dwell for a few minutes, but do not let it dry on the paint. If you're working in the sun, you may have to apply this a few times. If your vehicle has a lot of iron particles, you may have to apply this 2 or 3 times until all of those particles are gone. Once the AM iron has done its work, you can simply rinse the product away with the iron particles and continue to dry and protect your vehicle. So AM iron is a really nice product. I have to say that it's a pleasure to use, and like all your other iron dissolving products, it's not going to really smell that great. Maybe this smells a little bit better than the other ones. Who's to say? As you noticed on the vehicles, it dissolves the brake dust, no problem, leaving the paint clean and decontaminated. Now, another thing to note about this product is the viscosity. You notice that it has a little bit of thickness to it. Now, that's great for an iron remover because it's going to cling onto your surface. Now, there's some other products out there that are a little bit more watery than this, and that's okay. But I like the thickness of this product because it does last a little bit longer on the paint and the wheels, any of the surfaces that you use it on, ensuring that it sticks on the surface and dissolves those particles completely. I'll definitely be picking up some more. So if you want to pick up AM iron, check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off of any of their products. Check out the links down below. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.